How to delete all messages on Messenger. Hello everyone, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily delete all of the messages at once with a person on the Facebook Messenger app. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you need to do is make sure that your Messenger is up to date. For that, open up your Google Play Store. Tap on the search bar at the bottom right, and on the search bar, you're just going to search for Messenger. Once you search for it, tap on the app, and if you see an update button here instead of open, make sure to tap on update to update the app for its latest version. Then you are just going to open up your Messenger app. And once you open up your app, what you need to do is head over to your chat section. Once you get to your chat section, you will have to select a chat that you want to delete. So for example, if I want to delete this chat, what I'm going to do is typically long press on this chat. And if there is any specific message that I want to delete, like something like this, and if I want to delete this, I'm just going to long press on it, tap on more, and tap on unsend. And here I have two options, unsend for everyone and unsend for only me. I'm just going to unsend it for everyone. What this will do is no one on this chat will be able to see this message once it has been unsent. Now, if you want to delete the entire chat, you just hold on to the chat or the person, and here you will have an option called delete. It will delete your entire conversation history, and none of it will be recoverable after a certain time. You can also delete it by tapping on the chat, tap on the profile or the eye icon at the top, and once you open up your chat settings, tap on the three dots at the top right and tap on delete conversation, and you can delete it from here as well. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.